So can we reset the original iPhone screen layout? Let me talk about it. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, the short answer is yes, we have the ability to do it, and it's not even that difficult to do. All you have to do is to check out the settings app of the iPhone, where you'll be able to find the general section. And at the bottom of the list, there is the transfer or reset iPhone menu. So you don't click on erase iPhone. We don't want to do that. Just click on reset and it's going to ask you what exactly you want to reset, right? So you can reset all settings or just the network settings. But one of the options here as well is the home screen layout. So you just want to click on that and it will not delete any apps. It will not install anything new. It will just reorganize your apps back to the original layout, the way it looked when you open the iPhone fresh out of the box. And this is exactly what it does and not really anything else. So it's where you can find it. Let me know if you managed to do it. It's not really that difficult. So I hope it all went well. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe if it worked, and I'll see you later.